Hello children, today we are going to see class 12 chapter 5 file handling type C question number 4. So here the question is write a program to count the words to and the present in a text file poem.txt. Okay, in a poem we have to find out how many to are there, how many two words are there, TW, TO, two words are there and the words how many are there we have to find out. Okay, this is our question. So let us begin the program now. So initially in file handling, whatever file we are going to work on it, we have to first open it. This is a mandatory for file handling. All the programs which are related to file, you have to open the file first. First statement will be the opening the file. So F1 is equal to open. I am going to open a poem text. Already I have saved in the text file. Just I will open it and I will show you. Here you can see. Here you can see I have created one text file. God made the earth. The poem is God made the earth. So I am using this file in my program. Okay, that location is e:/poem.txt. Okay. Then in what mode I am going to open that? Just I am going to read. I am not going to do any changes in that. I am going to read that. So I am opening in a read mode. Okay. Then I have to read line by line. From that, now I open the file. Next, what is the work I should do? I should read the lines from that particular file. So for that, I am using line is equal to f1.read. It has to read function I am using. Then after reading, what I should do, I should split according to the space. Okay, why I should split? As it is, I can copy, right? I can make it in the program. No, but what we have to do is we have to check word by word and whether it is a to or the word is there. We have to check. So for that we have to split the line. So data is equal to line dot split function I am using, which is going to split by in terms of space. Okay. Then now I read the line. Then what I should do? Repeated process. Each and every word it has to read. So repeated process I am using for loop. Okay. For I in data. Okay. I in data, what it has to do? I found one word. First word I got it. Then what I should do? Whether it is a to or the I should check. So for that I am using if condition. If I is equal to the or otherwise I is equal to capital THE. Okay. Then or I is equal to capital TO or I is equal to TO. Okay, these are the conditions, these are the words it has to check. If it found that word, what it has to do? It has to count it. Okay, it has to count it. For that I am using count plus 1. Count plus 1. So here I am counting, right? For that I should initialize that variable. Okay. So what I am going to do? I am going to count is equal to assign count is equal to 0. Okay. Then I have counted it. Then what I should do? I should print number of occurrences of to and the. Okay, in the poem is. Okay, then I am closing the quotes, comma, which is the where the count will be saved in count. saved in counter. So I am going to display that. Then I am going to close the file. Whichever file opened, I am closing that now. Okay, let us execute now. So here you can see double equal to has to come. Okay, let us execute now. You can see here number of occurrences of 2 and the in the poem is 4. Okay, let us check the file now. Here I am opening that file. Otherwise we can open from here. Okay, this file open with Notepad. Now you can see here one D is there, then here one D is there, 2D, and 2 1 is there, 3, then 1 2 3 and 4. Okay. Okay children, we got the correct output. 4 occurrences of 2 and D are there. Thank you children. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comments. For my further videos, you subscribe the channel.